How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and we have this loose rear view mirror on our 2015 Prius. I've had this problem on a previous Prius. It just happened on this one, and I've even ridden in an Uber that was a third generation Prius, and the mirror fell off while I was in the Uber. Super embarrassing for the guy. It definitely seems to be a problem with this generation, probably other generations as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. You're going to need a Torx T20. That is like the Star of David bit. It looks like a little spline. And you're going to need something to shim it with, like a business card, a little piece of cardboard, something like that. If you look at the back side of the mirror, there is one screw there, and that is what you use your Torx to take out. You're going to go lefty-loosey. And if you take a look at the screw, it is pointed, and that point digs into where it goes over time, loosening it up. Once the screw is out, you're going to pull the mirror towards you, and you can just let it hang by the cords. Piece of metal mount that has adhesive stuck to your windshield. That little tiny hole right here is where that pointed screw went into. Over time, it dug in, loosening it up. So we're just going to take a little piece of cardstock shim, put it up on your mirror like that, and then you're going to lift it up, slide it back on. If you look through the hole, you want to make sure you see the color of your cardboard. Reinstall it. Righty-tighty, righty-tighty. It should this time be a lot tighter because of that shim. You can move that little housing back, and now your mirror is a lot tighter. If you don't use that shim, it's not going to tighten enough. It's going to stay loose. And over time, you may have to add a shim a year or two down the road. So do be aware of that. Very, very easy repair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up so other people can find it and fix their Prius rear view mirror. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss another project. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.